So uthetha nam mos ndim kaloku ngoku awuyiva ivoice wena.
Okay, uthini ke khuluma nami mlaleli.
Hayi bo kutheni uzondiphika kanjalo nje.
Ngithiki, mara ngithiki.
So uyandazi ngoku. Uyahleka ayihlekisi yazi. Yazi yo awukho serious shem wena awukho serious.
Serious ngingumbantu wobugadi. Ngibambe nganaka.
Off guard. So wena mawubanjwa off guard awundazi
So
mina.
yini nyana? He must tell you who's that girl that he told you.
Okay ke ubani uKatleho because kunoKatleho apparently in the picture ubani yena lo.
Kahle is the new girlfriend that I have.
Oh.
Wow.
Angizofuna umamela ukutshela ufuna umamela so yeah, it's the new girlfriend that I'm dating right now.
Oh, so mna ndintoni ke? Mina nawe senzani kahle kahle? Hlanganisa ini?
Mara yazi ukuthi iphelile emoyeni, iye mina iphelile emoyeni.
Mara awungitshelanga mina. Mina ngibhizi lana ngireject abantu, ngireject abantu abaninzi. My potentials endizirejectayo for wena.
Ubuza qala la ugcine nini ukubona?
Ngiyazi ukuthi kudala singabonani but ndiyazama uthetha nawe efonini but uyang-ignora so azange awutshonga ukuthi sihlukene as long ungatshonga ukuthi sihlukene mina nawe siyajola but.
So what about the baby? Ask him about the baby if he's moving on. And yet he's moving on. He moved on already. Hey, my friend.
Already moved on.
Yeah, so what about the baby? Eh?
Oh, wow. I won't lie to you. I'm not sure that's my baby. I won't lie to you.